Good afternoon. It's April 2nd, 2025, and today we mostly had an uptrend day. We had this spike in channel, overshoot of the channel, which led to a break, and formed this new range. So let's take a look at that. Um, this could be, we could have, looks like potentially this could be a measured move, in which case we have a two-tiered channel. So that's probably what it is this strong leg up and this strong correction. We probably just broke out and hit a measured move. We went beyond it, uh, but that's probably what the market was doing. You can see they found resistance there, right here. But I think this chart sums up the day the best. This is the 6,500 tick chart. So we had this uh, strong move down in the overnight, and it just wasn't very convincing. And so you could have gotten in at the very bottom of the day, right there. And some hints, if you look at the daily chart, Al Brooks talks about something called market inertia. The market tends to do what it has been doing. Well, 2 days ago, what's today? Wednesday, Monday, we had this bull reversal bar, big tail on the bottom. Yesterday, we had a pretty big tail on the bottom. It sold off towards the end, but usually when you have these big tails on the bottom, the reversal starts towards the beginning of the day. And vice versa, when you have these big tails on top, the reversal starts towards the beginning of the day. So you want to keep your eye out for an early reversal. And that's exactly what happened. Right as the market opened, what's the 6,500 tick? What time did this bar close? 6:31. And you get a nice bull bar, double bottom, and it's off to the races. And if you wait for a gap below the EMA, let's say you get in at 56.20, you don't get a gap below the EMA until right here. So if you sold that close, 56.20, that's an 85-point move. That is that's a lot of money. And really, I don't think you would wait, because you have this spike in channel, and then you get this super strong tight bull channel. So I would say you would probably sell at the bottom of this strong bear bar that is a close outside of there. And so that'd be 100 points. That's a tremendous move. But again, you also could. I think this is a very reasonable place to take profits too, right here, because you have this price level right here. So if you that looks like an overshoot, I'd probably be playing this like an overshoot. So I'd probably take profits there. In which case, you get an 80-point move again. So very good uh, clues for the reversal. Anyway, on this chart, you get the spike. Could you go long here? I think after this doji closes with a bull body, I think you could argue for going long there. It turns out to be a good move. Big up, big down, probably a trading range. So when this closes with a bull body, when this one closes with a bull body, I think you could make the argument to go long there and ride it at least to this high, and it goes much further. And then you get a second entry long right here, and that's probably why this shot up so quickly. And big up, big down, probably a trading range. So people probably bought with limit orders here. Boom. That creates this rocket People taking profits because we just went so high. Um, could you go short in here? I mean, I guess you could. On this chart, probably not the best idea. On a smaller time frame, yeah, probably you could get short here or here. Um, I would say this lower high you could consider. And then here, I mean, boom, nice bull bar. You could get lucky and get a bounce all the way back up to here. It stops at the EMA, but then you get another bounce right here. You could take that. I wouldn't take this just because the EMA is right there, but it ends up being a good move. So that's the chart that I think best summed up the day. I'm not going to analyze another chart, but here's how it's looking right now. Uh, it makes sense. We're probably just trying to test the 21 bar moving average. So that's today. Here's how the week is looking. Like a bull bar, and that could be a double bottom that sends us higher. But this range I've been looking at on the daily chart, we still haven't tested this low. So we could test that low. We could not test that low. It's, I mean, this doesn't look, I don't know what I would have this based on. This doesn't look right. Yeah, it must have got moved. I'd have it right there. So let's see. Maybe we did test this low. I haven't even noticed that until just now. So yeah, no, we still didn't quite get down there. So the move could be over, but we'll just have to wait and see. So anyway, here's one last look at the 6,500 tick chart. Hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.